Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad you're here. If you don't know me, my name is Yasmin. I just started my YouTube channel. I'm trying to just focus on like lifestyle, especially right now. We just moved into our own home and I'm planning on doing some decorating series soon. Hopefully next week I will start on my kitchen and my dining room decor. I just wanted to quickly do this small intro just before the video gets started because it just kind of goes right into it. Just a little backstory. This is from last week, from our first week into our home. We did a little bit of shopping, some breakfast, and just, building things around the house. If you haven't already, I would really appreciate it if you guys subscribe to my channel to keep seeing more videos soon. I do have a goal of hopefully reaching 500 subscribers within the next month or two, which may not seem like too much, but it's definitely a lot for me. So I would appreciate it so much if you guys would help me reach that goal. It'd be so awesome. So if you're interested in watching our mini vlog from the first week after move-in, then just please keep on watching. Oh, those are the long ones. Are they out?
Probably on now, baby.
Or is it those? No,
those
right?
are the big ones.
Oh, yeah. Ah, they're out of everything. Got my tabletop, my vanity, my big strong man. morning. It is Tuesday the 28th. It's 9 a.m. 9:13 a.m. I just woke up like an hour ago and I'm gonna start doing some breakfast for my husband and I, since he's gonna work at 12 and I actually have a Zoom call here at 10, so I have to hurry up. But first, I'm gonna make some coffee, and I just started following this page on Instagram. I think it's called Coffee Bay 97. I think I will tag it down below just in case. She just makes like a bunch of awesome coffee posts. And so I tried one of her caramel macchiato coffees, and it is so good. Like, I was shook at how good it was. I made my husband try it. I had my friend over and she tried it. And she was like, this is bomb. So I'm gonna show you guys how to do it. Let me go get a glass first. First thing I do is get some ice. Okay, so first step is ice, of course, a bunch of ice. And then second is to brew the espresso. So let me take you over here, turn this on. So I like to do this one, it's called Roma. Pop that in there. And then I do a double. Okay, so you're gonna need a cup of ice, some caramel sauce. I use the Ghirardelli, and then espresso and the syrup. I have the sugar-free kind, and some oat milk. You can use regular milk, almond milk, whatever you like. I just really like oat milk in my coffee. So what you do is you pour in a little bit of this one first, and then some caramel sauce, as much as you want, and then the milk. I'm gonna try not to make a mess, but I usually do. The espresso. Then you can top it with some of this caramel macchiato. It's so good. Okay, so you gotta shake it up real good. And then can you try that? That's really good. Okay, let me make breakfast because I'm gonna be running late. So he has some hash browns, some eggs, and some turkey bacon with the hot sauce. And my food, got some scrambled eggs. And I'm waiting on my waffles. I love waffles. I could eat waffles every day.